Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb-Ease stereo earphone with mic. There are some photos of what the earphones are supposed to look like. This is a in-ear earphone, as you can see. A lot of information here. This particular earphones come with 6 months warranty, has flat TPE cables. They come with 14mm drivers, a pretty long cable. They're compatible with mobiles and tablets, and they also have the in-ear design, as I mentioned earlier, and inline mic. If you have any more information, no, that's more or less it, the repeat of the same right over here. Let's open this box and take a look inside. So everything that we find inside this box can be found inside this packet. I'm going to open this packet and show you the contents inside. Okay, so that's it. This is what you find inside the box. There are one pair of extra silicone tips. So this is the large size, I feel. Yeah, these are the large size. So there you go. This is what the earphones look like. Let me give you a closer look at the earphones themselves. You see these are angular nozzles, almost 45 degrees over here. These are once again in-ear design. Mostly it's matte black, but has this glossy edge over here as well, which is a nice touch. There's a module over here. This is the inline mic that comes along with the call receiving button. So it's right over here, along with flat TPE cable. Actually, this entire earphone has a flat TPE cable. The good thing about a flat TPE cable is that they are generally tangle free. So this particular wire will not get tangled easily. And this is a pretty long cable, by the way. This is more than a meter long. Let me just show you. There you can see this is at least a meter long, and at the other end you have this L-shaped 3.5mm aux cable. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zebronics Zeb-Ease stereo earphone with mic. Thank you for watching.